Explain how online tutorials and videos have changed the ways in which children and adults can learn new skills. An example I've often used is that nobody taught children around the UK to make bracelets from little rubber bands a few years ago when the craze hit. Children shared online videos and tutorials via messaging systems and video sites, and they taught themselves. Parents are still finding these little rubber bands in their houses years later. The worldwide access to the internet, and especially via mobile devices rather than large desktops, has allowed educators to share their knowledge around the world. Here are some examples of where moving resources online provides a much wider audience. Teachers can share classroom resources online for access at home. Schools can link across the world sharing knowledge. Businesses can sign up to international training classes delivered via video to their staff. People of any age can search for tutorials to help solve problems, from plumbing to installing a new word processor. So to recap the main points, learning can now be accessed at any time, day or night. It can be accessed from any location with a stable internet connection. Just about every topic in the world will have a learning resource for it somewhere. We as learners can learn at our own speed, stopping, rewinding and repeating as much as we want to. Covering these 4 key points will gain you the marks.